This is what we're hearing from charge nurses right now. I thought being in charge meant making assignments, managing admissions and discharges, and keeping the department running smoothly. I had no idea I'd also be expected to manage conflict, deal with difficult behaviors, navigate emotionally charged situations, and handle tension between my coworkers. You know, we place nurses into one of the most influential roles in the department, often with little to no preparation for the people side of their role. Yet we expect charge nurses to resolve conflict, address incivility, manage communication breakdowns, support overwhelmed staff, influence team morale, and help maintain a healthy work culture during some of the most stressful moments of the shift. No wonder so many charge nurses say they don't want to be in charge. The reality is this: charge nurses are informal leaders. They influence the way your team members treat each other and care for patients every day, every shift. When they aren't equipped with the skills they need to intervene when conflict and incivility show up, well, disruptive behaviors continue, leading to turnover, burnout, and a bad department reputation. That's why we created the Charge Nurse Development for a Healthy Workforce e-learning program. Hi, I'm Dr. Renee Thompson, CEO and founder of the Healthy Workforce Institute, and I'm beyond happy to offer this new opportunity to healthcare organizations around the world. This practical, skills-based program equips charge nurses with the communication, feedback, conflict management, and relationship skills they need to confidently address disruptive behaviors and strengthen culture in real time. Because prepared charge nurses create healthier teams. Okay. The program officially launches in July 2026, but organizations can secure early access starting now. Join the priority waitlist by clicking the link below and be among the first to develop their charge nurses with these essential skills. Because healthy work cultures don't happen by accident. They happen when charge nurses are prepared.